Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to enable and use desktop stickers in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command REGEDIT and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Policy Manager, Current, Device. Right click on Device and select New key. Name this key Stickers. Hit Enter. Now in the right pane, we will create a dword 32-bit entry and the name would be Enable Stickers. You can copy and paste it from the original article on the website. Right click in the open space, New, dword 32-bit entry and name it Enable Stickers. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK and reboot your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.